Hello everybody, this is 47 Tech. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add rain effects to your wallpaper. This will work with Galaxy S25 Ultra and other Ultra devices, including the Galaxy Folds. Unfortunately, the app is not available on the Play Store anymore, but we can still download the APK file on Google. Once you install the APK file, open the app and swipe to the right. Once you swipe to the right, tap on the background. Tap on My Images. This is where you can select your own images. Once you select your image, you can drag this around and you can tap on the corner to resize it. Tap Done. Tap on Activate and set it as your wallpaper. And that's it. Please visit my channel for more information about my setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Y'all have a great day.